Hi everyone, I'm Alex, your review buddy, and in today's video we will have a look at this one-handed gaming mechanical keyboard from Hiwings. If you watched the previous video about the HI300 mechanical keyboard, card above, I will keep the same structure and we'll talk about this product, and at the end I will give you my personal opinion about this keyboard. There are chapters embedded in this video, so feel free to jump to the topic that interests you the most. As any mechanical keyboard, it has some weight to it, 560 grams, which makes it the same weight as the wireless mechanical keyboard I reviewed in the previous video. In the box there is the user manual, the keyboard and the Type A to Type C adapter. There is no cable as this keyboard has a built-in cable, and there is no keycap puller either. This one-handed mechanical keyboard is quite heavy. Now, a good thing is that it will properly sit on the desk or flat surfaces and will not move while playing games. It looks as a normal size keyboard was cut in half, so it is easy to pick up and carry and takes a smaller space to store or use. It comes only in black and has normal size keycaps besides the macro keys. If you turn around the keyboard, you can see that it has 4 rubber pads to keep it from slipping around, but has no kickstand, and as far as I remember, I haven't seen any one-handed keyboard with kickstand. This mechanical keyboard has 38 keys, out of which 2 macro keys, M1 and M2 on the left side, which we will talk about later. Under these macro keys there are 2 other keys, the letters B and M, which are just the letters and can be programmed in-game as all of the other keys. Once the keycaps are removed, we can see the switches. The HI300 keyboard uses blue switches, which are known to be quite loud, and these are called Outemu. The switches are not hot swappable, these look to be soldered switches, and if you want to change them, it requires more work, knowledge and skills, but it can be done in the end. In terms of features, it doesn't have so many as a normal mechanical keyboard. The HI300 can only be used wired. You can't detach the cable and it doesn't have Bluetooth. What you need to do is to plug in the device and it is ready to be used. If your device has a Type-C connector like the MacBook Pro, then you can use the USB adapter in the box. It works across multiple platforms like PCs, Macs and even consoles. In terms of features, it doesn't have so many as a normal mechanical keyboard. It has 7 color modes and 6 colors, 1 color for each row. This means that it will not change to full RGB. To change the mode, plus function and F1, it has 7 modes. I will quickly show them all. The second customization that you can do is with these lights on the right side by clicking function and F2. Now they will only switch to breathing mode or completely turn off. The macro keys M1 and M2. To set them up, you need to press and hold the function plus M1 or M2 for a couple of seconds until the logo at the top starts to flash, then press the keys for the combo, and then press function plus M1 or M2 again. To reset the macros, just press and hold function plus escape until you can see a fast blink. The next feature is the clicky sound of the blue switches. You do not need to fully press the keys just until you hear the click, which means that the command has been registered, but this requires a lot of practice. Another feature is anti-ghosting. For those who do not know, anti-ghosting gaming keyboards give the benefit of rollover, which means multiple keys can be depressed simultaneously and all register at the same time, so that special move is triggered. Not all of the keys are anti-ghosting, just around 21 keys. Before I give you my personal opinion on this keyboard, let's talk about the price. The HI300 One-Handed mechanical keyboard costs £33.99 on Amazon UK or $35.99 on Amazon US, but you can get it cheaper if you look for deals, or you can get it cheaper if you have any vouchers. In terms of competition, at this price point there are quite a few, just to mention some of the most popular. Redragon K585, Dark Walker FO212, Red Thunder, K700. I will leave the link to them in the description should you want to check them out. Now, is this keyboard worth it? Leaving out the fact that this keyboard doesn't have a full RGB spectrum and that it kind of feels and looks cheap, it does the job very well. It is sturdy and sits on the desk, has a nice tactile feedback, blue switches and 2 macro keys. It offers good value for money. Let me know in the comment section below if you use any one-handed mechanical keyboard for gaming. Don't forget to like this video and share so other people can find this information as well. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.